Yo le se tatou whawhiawhianga la so ai o le sunga ia Joshua Aiono, luas fuliva tau sanga le matua, mai le whianga whastouta, e o le siampini nei o le tauvanga sa ilinga o le whetu, a le TV tasi, lua fes fulma le lua, le TV1 Star Search.
To all our international viewers and our tourists, next up we've got Joshua Aiono. He is a popular and the winner of the Samoa 2012 TV1 Star Search winner. Joshua Aiono.
Thank you, thank you. Tuiātaga, it's a pleasure to be here and to sing for all of you. Special dedication to everyone who's here visiting and to all my people here. To my ainga, Tuiātaga.
My true love was true. Oh,
How about a round of applause for that?
reply something here inside cannot be denied. They said someday you'll find all who love are blind. Oh, I of course replied, something here inside cannot be denied. And so I left them and I gaily laughed to think they could bow Yet today my love has flown away. I am without my laughing friends deride, tears I cannot hide. Oh, so I smile and say, when a lovely flame dies, smoke gets in your eyes. Smoke gets in your eyes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Joshua.
And that's why he became Star Search 2012 winner.
Our next performance